guess what, guys? You know that song that has been a few seconds ago? Well, yeah, I started to mix it and play with it. It looks brown. It molds. It's colored. It's brown / moldy color / red. Like, who wants a poop farm? Nobody. So, I'm gonna make a new song. And I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna have to do the last things to the first things. So, keep out for that video in a few seconds. Maybe I might post it in just a few seconds. Let's go. Wait. Oh, yeah, I forgot. This is the review video of this one. So, it's pretty hard. It doesn't make any good sound bubbles. It does. It does click. Ish. It's hard. I don't like it. Let's stretch it. Sound squirrel. Yeah, we can only stretch it that far. Like we can't even do 10. So, like, what are we supposed to do with a slime swirl when it doesn't go that good? Like, whatever we're doing. Math. Okay, so come on. Excuse me. Okay, so y'all are gonna come with me on an adventure, and AKA death of this farm. So, as y'all can see, he's dead. Gotta close the door. Okay. So, your eyes out for that next video.